Maybe the road ahead of it, maybe there is a new world down the road. Walking forth is the only flight, transverse through the successful light. A pleasant good evening to everyone present over here. I feel honored to extend a hearty welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Vishal Sivtare sir, Honorable Umakant Ruge sir, Honorable Madhav Mahajan sir, Honorable Uday Gandhi sir, Honorable Himangi Pod ma'am, Honorable Prashant Agre sir, Honorable Bipin Dada Patne sir, Chairman of Rotary English Medium School, Honorable Parag Chikle sir, Secretary of Rotary Pratishthan, all the trustee members, their better house, invitees, key functionaries, all the all the supportive parents, all my committed staff, and all my dear children. As a principal of this school, after the 2 years we are there back on the stage, I feel really humbled and at the same time I feel proud to be standing in front of you, privileged to be heading this institution which we call as a school with difference. From the humble beginning we made in 2007 with 2 classes having crossed many measurable milestones, today our school has become the dream destination for many. Where we started the school with just 80 students and 4 staff, and today we are standing tall with 1800 plus students and 130 plus staff. That really makes the volume of the school. I feel elated to state that I have witnessed the growing stage of my school since its foundation. Trust, within a decade, we have created the history in ourselves. It has become synonymous with academic excellence, a benchmark to measure co-curricular excellence, and also a center which create the students a responsible citizen. Sorry. With drama, dance, singing, carom, music, we all have added up with the activities like artificial intelligence, robotics, digital designing this year to explore the technical skills of the student. If we talk about the sports, our students have extremely excelled everywhere. May it be yoga, malakham, skating, taekwondo, dodgeball, kho-kho, karate. Our kids with smart sportsmanship have brought gold, silver, bronze medals in national, state and district. Also, our kids were the participants of Khelo India. Again, the list is very big to announce the name of every student, but huge round of applause to all the students as they have taken lot of pains to bring these laurels to the school. Excellence in academics is the hallmark of any good institute, and Rotary has carried this legacy. From class 6, Homi Baba, 4 students achieved the title of junior scientist with 1 gold and 3 silvers. In Olympiads, students bagged gold, silver and bronze in state, zonal, national and international level. I am pleased to say that Shreyas Tompe got gold and stood first in international in Maths Olympiad exam with the perfect score. Our kids represented our school in CBSE National Science Projects, wherein we exhibited projects on Panhalkaji Caves under the subtitle Historical Development with Innovation. Board results of class 10th were extraordinary, where Abhinav Pillai topped 98.6%. Class 12 Commerce, Anushka Bhagwat topped with 97.6% and Harsh Chorge from Science with 95.6%. In CA, CS, CSEET, foundation students outperformed the exam and they have come out with the flying colors with 100% result. Shreya Mahade from this year, from CLAT exam, in this year, she secured her seat in Maharashtra National Law University, Nagpur for LLB. Like every year, 8 students were able to qualify IIT Advanced where they could enter into IITs. This year, today itself, we have received the extraordinary result where 31 students are qualified for JEE Mains with the same hard work. I am sure they are going to pursue their seats in IITs. 6 students from NEET Gold Good Government College where Harsh Chorge bagged 665 marks and entered in KM, followed by Afnan Kadri with 606 marks. Students of architecture secured their place in top government college. Since last 4 years, continuously our students are first in Konkan region in all the competitive exams, which proves that our school is scaling new heights. I am indeed honored to present before you the rising steps of Rotary's ladder on this annual day, Udan 22-23. Udan, this theme suggests us to be like an eagle, to spread the wings like a faith, to lift the kids at new height with confidence, consistent and care which Rotary does for each and every student. Every day we write success stories in the page of Rotary. Yesterday when I had read the annual report, we had got good news about Taekwondo. Today we have got the good news about JEE. So every day students bring laurels for the school. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in day out. And talking about the students of JEE, those who have secured 99.58 percentile, whose name is Sanchit Jadhav. Really he had taken lot of pains and last 2 years he had done lot of sacrifice. So I think he needs a huge round of applause. It is not possible to highlight the success of each and every student, but I would like to congratulate the whole JEE team for the same. Seeing this benchmark year after year, it was not possible without the missionary zeal of my trustee members. The urge to give the best learning platform was a very, very big challenge, but they believed in continual growth and to make each day better and better. They knew this progress totally depend on industrious and committed faculties, supportive admin staff, a large pool of resources, responsive students, cooperative parents, and we are indeed very lucky to have all these elements with us. Every year we move one step ahead for the development, and this year we have added up with play zone for the pre-primary section and badminton court. We have already inaugurated badminton court yesterday, and today we are going to inaugurate play zone for preschool. To arrange the faculties and to retain them in the small town was not at all easy. But there is no word impossible in the dictionary of Rotary. We managed to retain the faculties and most of them have continued here since they have joined. And that is one of the most element of our success. Dear student, just remember, teachers are only the people other than your parents who feel very proud when children do better than them. And I thank entire strong team of Rotary, teaching and non-teaching, for your untiring efforts and actions, helping all the way out to reach the students where they are today. Parents, your support have always been helped us to move forward, and today our school has escalated the new horizon of success. If you dream it, you can do it. We all can achieve if we work together. We hope with my team we do justice with every single child who had been handed over to us with trust and deliver the best. Our little angels are waiting to exhibit their performance. So here I will end up my words with the beautiful lines of Robert Frostforth. The woods are lovely, dark and deep. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep before Iceland. Thank you very much for your overwhelming performance, and I hope that all the kids are going to rock the stage. Thank you once again.